This is the ideal situation. I have a weed line that's stretched out right in front of me, kind of with the wind. And yet I have a real strong wind that's coming in here. If I was fishing alone, I'd probably just put the power pole down and then fish off the bow to cover the edge of that weed line. But let's face it, the majority of fishing that's done today is done with multiple people in the boat. And on a day like today, it can be a mess to have everybody catching fish, because really it's a tough wind to position your boat in. There's a simple solution. I put my power pole down on the shallow end of this weed line and anchor it and stick it right in. And then I'll take my trolling motor and I'll turn the boat crossways to the wind, just like if we'd have an anchor on both ends, and then I'll have the GPS lock on the trolling motor. You can see now I've got the boat set up that way. We're totally sideways to the wind. Envision 3 people in the boat. You'd have a person in the middle, person in the bow. All 3 of us now can fish and jig the edge of that weed line. So it's a wonderful way to increase your fish catch during the day. So with the addition of this power pole, you can do some amazing things to help you catch multiple fish for all the anglers in the boat.